See My Bills allows your customers to register onto the self-service portal at any time using the self-registration mechanism. This lets you embed a link within the emails that get sent out from QuickBooks Online to your customers. To enable self-registration, head over to the See My Bills admin console and click on Registration. Ensure Allow Self-Registration is enabled. Your personalized self-registration link can be seen at the bottom of the page. You will want to make a note of this link address, or you can copy it to your clipboard. Sign in to your QuickBooks Online account, then head over to the Settings cog at the top right, followed by Custom Form Styles. For this video, we'll edit our existing default form style. Once the modal pops up, click Email at the top to switch to the email-related options. You can include the self-registration link in here and customize the wording around it. From now on, any emails that get sent from QuickBooks Online will include a link to the self-service customer portal, allowing your customers to sign up at any time.